Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device and gathering quick info. Plug in or ensure battery is above 30% because some sensors sleep at low charge. Once done, enable developer options by tapping MIUI build 7 times in About Phone so you can access sensor and background app controls. Reproduce the problem now, call someone, and note whether the screen turns off immediately or after proximity events. This gives you a baseline and makes the next steps targeted and faster to diagnose. You now test the proximity sensor and correct app behavior. Open the sensor test in Developer Options or a small diagnostic app and cover the sensor to confirm it reports covered/uncovered. If it fails, clean the sensor area and remove the case or protector that may block it. Then go to App's phone storage. Clear cache, force stop, and reopen. Make sure all call permissions are allowed. Also disable any proximity-driven call screen options. This isolates software versus hardware causes. You finish by applying fixes and validating results. First, update MIUI and the phone app, then reboot. Many glitches resolve with updates. If the problem continues, reset app preferences in settings to restore defaults without erasing personal data. Retest calls as a last resort backup and factory reset because that eliminates lingering software causes. If tests in safe mode still show the screen off behavior, the proximity sensor or wiring is likely faulty, so contact authorized service for hardware repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.